Well, hello there, beautiful human. We are currently in a new area we haven't checked out. It's just like really cool. It's all like mossy, and all the tree roots are all like springy because of how moist it is. Sorry if you don't like that word. But yeah, like it's got just these like springy leaves. Oh, there's little like flat mushrooms over here.
Yeah, I saw those.
There's these guys. I wonder what those little orange ones are babies. See the babies? Oh, little babies. Little baby mushrooms.
Witch's butter? That's witch's butter.
Witch's butter?
Yeah.
Cool, I found witch's butter, everybody. That is witch's butter. And today we are with Craig, not other Mama G.
Yeah.
Do you want some
Cool.
witch's butter? You should probably have some because you're a witch.
Yes.
And you need your
Thank
butter.
you. I need my butter. Let me put my butter in my pocket.
Oh god, my butter.
Hello. Hello, my butter.
Oh my Lanta.
But yeah, it's just a really cool little spot here. I'm trying to remember if I posted the other videos I took the last time we were in these pots. I think I did. I can't get my witch's butter into my pocket, so it's just in my hand right now. I'm hoping to find some porcinis. Does witch's butter grow big?
It will get bigger, but not that much bigger.
Interesting. Really enjoying walking through here because it's like all these little like doorways. Looks like there's little berries down here. Little berries. Look at the little berries.
I'm really surprised we're not finding anything in here.
The sound of defeat.
Seems like
Well, wish us luck. Maybe next spot. Love y'all. So we just stopped at Quad Tree. No luck. So we're just kind of doing a little walkabout. Craig is behind that big tree. So it's a little chilly and rainy. So we probably won't stay out much longer. Especially since I couldn't eat my breakfast, so I'm hungry. I saw a bunch of tiny little clovers. None of them were 4 leaves. That would have been nice. I left the forest some of my homegrown sage. We did find a little bit of hen, but not much. Which is shocking because of the way the weather has been cold and rainy. Somebody's house is out there. You see the green? There's a house somewhere in that area. Trying to at least stay near Craig because I apparently get very directional disoriented in the rain. Hi, Craig. Yeah, I really thought Quad Tree was going to be where we found them this time. I like that tree. was hoping I can find some while I was filming with you.
Loop back around.
There's quad tree.
Yeah.
Well, maybe next time. But it's starting to rain pretty good, so I'm going to put my phone in my pocket. Bye, y'all.